Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. We are going to be unboxing the Fitbit Sense, Fitbit's latest smartwatch. So we're going to be unboxing this, seeing what's inside the box, and taking a quick look at the device. So let's get started here. Go ahead and peel off our bottom here. Looks like it just slides out. Slides out there, and then looks like it opens up. Oh, so we have our watch band up here on the top. We'll go ahead and pull that out. Maybe. Oh, it's like attached in there. That's fine. Pull that out, and then we've got the watch sitting right here on the back. Let's see. Oh, yep, it just slides out. These were the other wristband sizes. This is the, I think it comes with a small and large, and it comes with the medium band already on it. And then let's see, we got another compartment here. This pulls out. Oh, this is the charger. And that's it there. So that's that piece of cardboard. It's got a little quick start guide that slides out here. And that's just part of the box. Nothing else in there. And close it back up. So, not bad. The little wristbands definitely didn't come out very smoothly. So let's see what we have in here. We have an extra band, and then is that it? Yeah, nothing else in here. So it's just the extra band, and let's see which one comes on the watch here. Yep. So that's the larger band. So it comes with the small one, it looks like, and then they give you a larger one if you need it. So I don't think I'll need that. I have pretty small wrists, so we'll set that one aside. And let's take a look here real quick at the charger. This definitely looks different than the current Fitbit I have. I have the Fitbit Versa 2, just in case you're wondering, the current one I have. So there's the charger that they give you. It's a standard USB Type-C, and then there's the charger piece that they give you, which is going to mount to the back of the watch. So let's go ahead and peel this off. That peels off like that. Did I push the button to turn it on, or did it turn on automatically? I don't know. It looks like that's booting up. Oh, look at that. And yeah, so the chargers, I'm going to guess, is just going to magnetically attach. Yep. And I would assume it probably can attach. Oh, that's actually a really strong magnet. Probably can attach in any direction, maybe? Oh no, it actually is magnetically will guide it in to only attach the right way. That's interesting. All right. So there it is, the Fitbit Sense. Let me show it to you compared to the Versa 2, because that's where I was right now, is, wondering if it was worth upgrading. So there's the two side by side. And just looking at them, let's see if I can actually get this to, I was curious if the screens, it does look like the screen's a little bit rounder, a little bit more full on the new Sense for sure. And then the, obviously the backs of them are different, which how the sensors and all that are laid out. The Sense and the Versa 2. There we go. All right, so that's the unboxing, and I'm going to get this set up, and then I will do a quick hands-on review of the watch itself. So I'm going to do that in a separate video. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like it and subscribe, because I will be posting the review of the watch here in the next probably few days. So, and lastly, if you are interested in this product, there is a Amazon link down in the description. Be sure to click that. Helps me out, helps the channel out, so I can continue to make more of these videos for you. Again, it's just down in the description. Click the link to be able to purchase this product, this watch, on Amazon. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.